How to accept payments on Woocommerce. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to accept payments on Woocommerce. I'm going to show you that, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So in this tutorial, obviously I'm not gonna be able to show you how to log in into WooCommerce, but remember that WooCommerce works directly with WordPress, and it's gonna allow you to create your website to sell your products. Okay, that's basically what you could do with WooCommerce. So I'm going to open my WordPress too. And it is important to know that there are some plugins that are gonna help you with these payment methods. But the plugins are just available if you upgrade your plan. So let me show you. There is a powerful plugin with WooCommerce. This one, I guess I have it here, that is gonna allow you to configure and set up your payments, but you must upgrade your store, and to do that, at least you must pay like $40, around $40 per month. So I'm going to switch again to my main page here in WordPress that is linked with WooCommerce too, and probably you have here like the steps that you must complete to get your website and your domain and to begin to sell your products. So the third step is to set up your payments. So here we're gonna have different options. So choose a payment provider to get ready to accept online payments. So PayPal payments is recommended here with WooCommerce and WordPress. This is gonna allow you to get safe and secure payments using credit cards, for instance, or also some debit cards or your customer's PayPal account. So there are other offline payment methods like a direct bank transfer or cash on delivery. Usually people don't enable these options, so by now I'm going to click on get started. You can click on see more if you're interested in knowing more about these. These are extensions that are gonna help you with this, like I showed you before, the WooCommerce payments. But you have some other options like Stripe, Amazon Pay, and some others. By now I'm going to get started. Wow, what's happening here? I'm going into payments. I don't know what's happening. Maybe perhaps a bug. If you don't have in your home these, oh, let me load this again. Let me refresh. If you don't have this menu to set up your payments, here in the left menu you have the payments too. And you can finish to set up and enable credit cards payments. So here the accepted payment methods are this one, also with Google Pay and Apple Pay. I'm going to finish my setup. It appears that WooCommerce just works with payments in these countries, so you must be really sure that your country is on it. If your country is not on it, probably you would have to set up your payments with PayPal. Okay, I'm going to continue. And you must to continue the process. So I'm going to fill in my email. Probably yes. This is going to ask me my password. Yeah, and your mobile number. So you must look for your country, in my case this, and my mobile number. So they're gonna send you a verification code. Let me see if I have it. Okay, and now they are asking you to some info of your business. I'm going to switch the language, I'm not really sure if this is gonna begin again. Oh no. Tell us about your business. So my business, as I already showed you, there is a list of the same countries. So by now it's gonna be in Spain. And type of business, yes, it's an individual business. I'm going to continue. And they're gonna verify your personal details. So your legal name, the email address, date of birth, home address. So please fill all this data and then click on continue. So I filled all the data. And now the professional details tell us a few details about how you earn money with Woocommerce payments. Woocommerce payments. So here, industry, I don't know, I sell some software. My website is, and my product description, this is software. I hope I don't have any problems with this. And add public details for customers. This information may be visible in payment statements, invoices, and receipts. So by now, I'm going to add my customer support phone number. And now select an account for payouts. Earnings that you receive on Stripe will be sent to this account. So the currency, because my business is in Spain, so the currency is going to be the euro. But you could switch it to US dollar or British pound, whatever do you need. And some other like data like the IBAN, and to confirm that same data. By now I'm going to stop these because obviously I don't have a business in Spain, but you just have to save it. Probably all this data that you have filled in this form is going to be confirmed with WooCommerce and Stripe. And when you finish this process, you're going to be able to receive your payments. Okay, so by now this is almost finished. And as you can see, I haven't finished this info, but I have a different overview in my payments. I have a euro balance, things to do. Now I have to update WooCommerce payments business details, so I must finish this. And I have my payments and deposits and so on. And if I go to my home, the next step is to add tax rates. It depends of your country, add shipping costs, and so on to finish your WooCommerce website with WordPress. And this is it. This is how you can set up the payments. This is how you can accept payments on WooCommerce. It is really easy. Just be sure that your country is on this list, so you're not gonna have any problems with that. That's it. Thanks for watching.